Hey everyone, I wanted to show you my new mini potato gun. I made it out of the outsides of a pen, and then chamber is just a regular pill bottle. And I got a new sparker. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's a grill sparker, and puts it a nice big spark. Here, I'll open it up, show you the spark. Yeah. I have to open with one hand, but open it up, and you can see the spark in there. See that? Nice and big. So this one works really well. I'll be shooting Q-tips today since it's inside. Don't want to do any major damage. So, put it in there. And then, I'm just using regular hairspray. Works really well. The only problem with hairspray though is that it gets all gooey inside the chamber if you don't clean it out. I'm shooting it at this cardboard right there, and let's shoot it. Just 1 squirt of hairspray is fine. If you put too much, it doesn't work. See that? It actually bounced back here. There it is right there. Do it again with another one. Q-tip. Put it in there. Check the spark. It's not good. Don't know why it's not sparking. Sometimes it helps if you wipe the... There we go. It helps if you wipe the screws off, because if they get wet they won't spark. So, push the Q-tip in there, and then 1 spray. There you go. This is my mini potato gun. If you need any help, just send me a message or a comment, and thanks for watching.